Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Arun Chandra Guha. He was born on 14th of May 1892 in Barisal, Bengal. He graduated from Barja Mohan College. He had a publishing house by name Saraswati Library, through which he published his radical writings. He also published a weekly by name Swadhinta, which was banned in 1930. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from West Bengal on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like he strongly opposed the need to include restriction on the rights and freedoms. He wanted that more power should be given to the village panchayats. He was of view that the Congress ideology is not there in the constitution. We will just see that. 6th of November 1948. Now to the draft constitution. I am afraid the drafting committee has gone beyond the terms. I am afraid the whole constitution that has been laid before us has gone beyond the main principles laid down by the Constituent Assembly. In whole draft constitution, we see no trace of Congress outlook, no trace of Gandhian social and political outlook. It is not surprising because I feel the whole constitution lacks in Congress ideal and Congress ideological particularly. So these were his views regarding the constitution. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.